Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Odell with Odell Adventures. This is calm before the storm, I reckon, if you want to call it that. We're in southeastern Ohio, and we get snow, but we're supposed to get 11.5 inches this time. And I want to try to give y'all updates. Like, I'll make like a video of like every hour or something like that, just to give y'all a reference. All right, this is the first hour. I mean, that's, you can see it coming down there a little bit. I mean, driveway's starting to get covered a little bit. But I'll hit y'all up here in next hour and show y'all what's going on. I gotta run down to the gas station and get me a can of dip in case we get snowed in. Don't want to get snowed in, that's my dip. So yep, see y'all here in a minute. All right, y'all, we're in good shape right now. We got the dip. As you can see, it's still just flurrying. It is 104. There's a little bit of snow accumulating on the road, nothing major yet. But the main thing is we got our dip in and see what it brings, man. I'm kind of curious if we get the full 11.5 inches or not. Well, I guess we'll find out. All right, love y'all. See you in a minute. Well, about an hour, really. See you in an hour. Hey YouTube, what's up? Odell Adventures again. This is a different video. It's not a fishing video or nothing, but like I said before, we're supposed to get 11.5 inches of snow. Kind of curious if we get it or not. Kids will like it. They've not seen a real big snow like that. We don't get them like we used to. Now we got a little bit of accumulation. I'll show you there on my hot tub gazebo. You can see the roof's covered on it. I mean, not much. It's a little dusting so far. Nothing major. I want to throw some salt down. Just keep everybody from slipping and sliding. Plus my wife works in healthcare, so in case she gets called in or something, I want her to be able to get out of here safely. Well, I'm gonna throw some salt down. I tried to headband out. I couldn't get to work right. So you won't see me throwing no salt, which I'd be boring anyhow, in my opinion. But let me get this down because it's cold out here. Oh, one more thing. Heated Coke by Milwaukee. You guys got this zoned in right, because I'm telling you what, it's cold. My ears is cold, but my chest and my back and my neck and everything else, it's all warm. Thanks to Milwaukee. Yep, all right then. See y'all next time. What's up? First things first. Turn that jacket on. All right. Hour 2 update. Accumulating pretty good there now. Rooftops is all covered up. All right. As you can see, it's starting to accumulate here a little bit now. Old truck's all covered up. For reference here, see how much we got off the side of my truck. I mean, about a half inch or so. Long way to go to get to 11, I can tell you that, but driveway's covered pretty good. So, here's hour 2 update. It's still coming. Not enough snow to go sleigh riding yet for the kids. Still patchy, but they're dying to go now. Give y'all a shot of the road. The cars are going pretty slow up through here. I'll give y'all a shot of the road. It ain't too cold out here, really. Don't feel too bad. Although it is going to be dropping. Real powdery snow. Here's the roads, main highway. Pretty covered up. Man, it's crazy. You can't really see our driveway. But all right, well, that's hour 2 update. And I will catch y'all on the flip side in about an hour. We'll see what it's like. Although I can't say. Alrighty, y'all. See ya. What's up, what's up? We are back. Coat is on. It is just, this is hour number 3 or 4, can't remember. I'll have to edit this and go back and look at it because I'm not sure where I'm at now. Oh, well, here we go. Let's see what we got out here today. In the last hour, I can tell you what, I can see more of accumulation. Oh yeah. Yep, you can really tell it now. It's made a big difference. Remember before, you can't see my whole finger from the last time. Just going to show you the difference. That was only an hour, so another half inch. I'd say or so probably. That's slicker than P. Diddy's bedroom floor, ain't it? Oh lordy. Oh yeah, driveway's covered really well. I'm going to go get some shoveling just to keep it cleared off. Yeah, the truck's covered up pretty good too. I think I took a video of it last time. See the difference? We'll have to check it out. Do like a time op thing on it or something. See what it's like. It's coming down pretty good. We might get this 10 inches or so, what they're saying. You never know. And one thing I did do earlier, which this is probably about a half hour ago, I did this. I was out here on the gazebo, and I didn't want this gazebo to buckle in because it's really not made for all this snow. I actually took the roof and I went on the inside and hit it, knocked all the snow off of it, and it's already covered again, so it's really accumulating quite a bit now. So kind of curious to see what happens. Yep. I'm gonna get my butt back inside and see what goes on. But all right, see y'all. What's up, YouTube? Whew, getting cold out here now. Another hourly update. Man, it is getting crazy out here. You can see we've got another quite a bit. Walking back up here, I put me the bog on. Temperature is starting to drop a little bit. It's coming down pretty good. Probably, I don't know if you can tell on there or not. There's my footprints from last time. They're already covered up compared to that. Back to the old F-150. Let's check the finger. There you go, man. Getting more and more and more. It's not let up none whatsoever. Or none at all.
Still a road update. Ooh, man. Thank the Lord for these heat coats. This makes it nice. I'm about to do some. I'm going to start shoveling my driveway off. Just one of my neighbors has already left, and I like to try to keep it cleaned off for everybody. Yeah, you can see how slow traffic's going. Yeah, real slow.
Real slow, and for good reason. Wow, look at this. Look at this, look at this. Look at that. Dang. Crazy. Let me check my trash real quick. Yep, I got it. Alright. Yeah. I mean, it's getting there. It's definitely getting there, boys and girls. Pretty cool. I like the snow. Biggest snow I want to do. I just want no ice. I don't like the ice. Oh boy, I forgot to put the old lady's window wipers up on her car. There we go. I took it to town earlier. Well, yeah, Down there to get my snuff earlier. Yep. Alright, y'all. Well, that's about it for this one. I'm gonna start shoveling off the snow a little bit. So, well, I'll hit y'all up in here about an hour. Alrighty. Be safe. Love y'all. Alright, boys, I'm back. I don't know if y'all can see me or not. I'll get by the light here. It's coming down, and yes, this is my hair. Look at how my hair's froze, man. I know I got some long hair. I mean, it's crazy. There we go. Put it in the back. Business in the front, party in the back. That's what I was always told. But anyway, boys and girls, I'll tell you what. I ain't got my daggone flashlight on me, I don't think. Yeah, I do. I'll take y'all a little trip here with my light. If we will focus in on it. Let's see here. There we go. I got it. I went ahead and shoveled it all, man. But I tell you what, by the time I got to the top of the hill up there, it's man, you can't tell where I mean, look, this is all down to the grass right here earlier when I was moving it, man. I mean, look, right here's a little trail. There's the gravel. There's what I didn't do, and this is what I just did like 10 minutes ago. I mean, it is coming down, man. Here's my car. Here's the black car. Look how much snow's on that joker. Look, we'll go back to the F-150 on the running boards, man. I mean, this phone's under my hand. Sorry. I get the flashlight in my mouth, but it's all up my knuckles. It's crazy. And the neighbor's driveway too. I did all this stuff and my kids are a mess. We're not quite to the road yet. This is the road. I'm in the middle of it. I mean, freaking crazy. It's gonna be slick, man. The bigger this stuff scraped off. But whew, man. Well, what to blind myself with a stupid light. Dang. Oh boy. I can't believe my hair's froze. It's crazy. But alright, y'all. Well, I don't know how many more of these, but I'll keep doing. It's getting dark and y'all can hardly see. I might just maybe do them in the house or something, maybe. I'll just walk outside and I'll try to give y'all a visual. But hey, it's adding up. But alright, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. We'll keep her coming. Love y'all. Alright, YouTube, I'm back for another update. It is 8:20 right now because Sunday Night Football is not started yet. Wow, we're gonna get this snow, guys. Look, I mean, that's how much we've got so far. Remember, I just done this. Can't even tell I even plowed the stupid driveway. Unbelievable amount of snow we've got. Crazy. I want to try to give you all a view. Let's get back to the F-150, the running boards. Look at this, guys. It starts there, and look at that. It's crazy. Holy crap. Let's go. I'm not staying out here very long. I'm gonna do a little shorty and be done with it. Look at this driveway. I just done this. I just did this freaking driveway, man. But hey, I gotta do 5 inches at a time and 10 and 10. Looks like they've been doing some plowing. I thought I heard somebody go by earlier. Yeah. It's gonna be a mess. Gonna be a mess, y'all. Woo! About fell. That was some good content. Go. I'm gonna do this again tomorrow now. We're gonna get this full probably 10 inches probably. If it keeps going the way it's going, man. It's gonna be so cool. These kids won't have to go back to school. Wish I could get a good view of it, like the snow, man. I mean, it's putting down. I'll do my flashlight. I mean, it's that little small snow that just, I mean, look at this. That just adds up. Accumulating, man. Alright, y'all, I'm about to go back inside. I didn't bring those stupid gloves, but I'll do another one, man. Dad, gonna have to plow this again. Shoot. Alright. Love y'all. Later. Alright, y'all. It's me again. I'm back. It is 10:40 at night. It's been snowing for ever and a day, it seems like. Probably started about, I'll say about noonish today, so it's been snowing for a minute. As always, I got the old Milwaukee on. You probably can't see me right now because I'm walking down through here, but see the red light. Thank you, Milwaukee. Let me turn this thing around. Alright, here we go. I wanted to do I found my tape measure, finally. I was gonna go measure some snow. Look at this, guys. Remember earlier? I shoveled this off. You can't even tell it. Look at that. Let's go over here in the yard. Here's the F-150. Look at that. Look at my truck, man. I don't think y'all can really tell how deep that is, but I'll show you how deep the snow is on here. 5 inches. Just on the hood of my truck, man. 5 daggum inches. Whew, man, it seems like it's more than that. Kids have been playing in it. That's all their tracks. They've been sledding and playing tackle football and everything else out here tonight. Dang, it snows deep. Let's see what we got here. 6 inches. 6 inches right there on the hill. Daggone. It's crazy, guys. Absolutely crazy. And it's still coming down. I mean, it's not supposed to stop. It's 10:40 right now. It's not supposed to stop snowing until, good Lord, I think they said like 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning. So it's hard telling how much snow we'll end up getting. Let's go to the road. I mean, this is nuts. This road is, look at this. There's 4 inches on the daggone road, man. This is the road. It's bad. Bad. But, well, that's the update for now. I'll just keep on going. I ain't going to bed for a while. I got my coffee pot, and they're cooking me a fresh pot of coffee, so I'm here for the long haul. Like they say, I'm here for a good time, not a long time. All right, later. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Different view right now. I'm in near my gazebo where my hot tub is. I had to get the snow off the roof of it. Just got that vinyl stuff, you know what I mean? It's not made for all that heavy snow, all the snow we're expecting. Let me give you all a little shot here about what's going on. Look how deep this is, man. Let me see if we can't get a view out here for you. Hang on a minute, let me just step out here. It's snowing pretty good. I mean, it's crazy. This snow is unbelievable. Actually, as I was getting ready to make this video, JV Outdoors was texting me. So I'll make a part of this with him in it. I'm gonna actually turn it off here in a minute and start walking down. We don't live very far away from each other, so I'm gonna head down that way and we're gonna maybe shoot some content together again. So, well, I got to see y'all in a minute. Oh, it's a live update. It is, let me get the exact time. It's 11:51 and it's still coming down just as hard as it was at noon, 1 o'clock today. I mean, this is unbelievable. I've never seen nothing like this for a long time here. I mean, I've been through a lot of snowstorms. I've seen a lot of snow. Cause I used to be an over-the-road truck driver, but I mean, this is crazy. I mean, look at these steps. I just done these steps. I mean, there's the bottom of it. I mean, that's where I stepped at. It's freaking crazy, man. I mean, look at this. This is my porch, man. This is where I did all this before. Look at this. It's freaking nuts. I mean, this is unbelievable. This is my car. This is a spoiler on it. This is the bottom of my spoiler. You know, like the top, you know, this is the bottom. Look how much snow's on here. It's freaking crazy. You know, we got 6 inches easy. I know it's what it showed in the last video I made. But, you know, with snow drifts and everything, people say, oh, we only had 5 inches or whatever. Blah, blah, blah. I don't care what they say. 5.5, 6 inches, it's still a lot of freaking snow. But let me hit y'all back up here in a minute. This is a little short, quick video. I'll video myself going down the road, give y'all road condition. We're actually on a level 3 right now, so that means the roads are closed to everybody, but emergency personnel, of course, if it's an emergency for yourself, you can go, but we hardly ever get level 3s. Level 2 is pretty often, you know, in winter times, but level 3s are very rare around here. But yeah, I'll give you all an update here in a minute again once I meet JV Outdoors. All right, as always, love y'all. What's up, YouTube? It's Odell again. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm walking down here to meet JV Outdoors. This is the road, man. I mean, you can't see the road. I mean, look at this. Wish y'all could see that better, man. It's absolutely freaking crazy. Like, you can't tell where the road starts or where it ends at. I mean, it's a level 3, baby. That's what I'm talking about. And here's one of my neighbors right here, man. Check this out. I mean, look at this. This is freaking crazy. Watch this be a freaking cop. Watch me get in trouble for being out on a level 3. Already know what I'm gonna say. I've got a lie already made up I was thinking about on my way here. Just tell me what was going on. Yeah, it was. I don't know why in the world they'd be out this time of night. I guess probably trying to throw people in jail for, yeah, he's slipping and sliding up the hill. Alright. Well, I'll holler back at you in a minute. Later. Hey, what's up, YouTube land? It's Odell again. My special guest.
What's going on?
Oh, JV Outdoors. It's not even halfway down the road here. We're just analyzing the weather and the roads. I'm telling you, this is bad. We'll be days getting this stuff organized. I mean, this is bad. Level 3, first time we've had a level 3 in forever, it seems like.
That was the first car I seen on the road.
Yeah, we just saw one car just now. Well, besides that cop that got me on the way through here, he was barely just trucking along. I hope he makes it where he's going.
Poor fella.
Yeah, he didn't look like he's going too good. But what do you think of this, old JV?
Dude, I ain't seen snow like this in a while. I mean, it's been years.
And it's starting to switch over a little bit, huh?
Yeah, it's starting to switch. I mean, I know we live in Ohio and stuff, but we don't live in northern Ohio.
Yeah.
We live southern Ohio, so we're not used to this kind of stuff a whole lot. But
And as you can tell, neither is our state or the township. I mean, it's nuts. I don't know. My hand's about froze holding this GoPro in my hand. But the temperature is dropping a lot.
like he said, they ain't done nothing to the roads or anything, really.
No, not a thing, have they?
Nope.
But anyway, well, I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm out for now. Later. What's up, YouTube? It's Odell. First snowplow I've seen. Snowplow on the roads. He ain't, oh, my bad, he must just be, he just loafing. He ain't even salting, he ain't doing nothing. What? First one we've seen, ain't it?
First one.
Yeah, buddy.
We've been here for what, hour and 15 probably?
Absolutely. At least an hour. First one we've seen.
It is currently,
What time is it?
26 degrees right now.
26 degrees, guys.
With the
I mean, this is crazy. Look how deep this is. We've been there fooling around. I mean, look at that. It's 6+, easy 6+ now.
It's 1:23 in the morning. It's 26 degrees and the feel like is 18.
And I got one thing to tell you guys. I'll let old JV Outdoors tell you what happened to us. Tell me what happened, Bob.
So we were sitting here shooting a bull, and these neighbors here to our left, they kept coming to the front door and, you know,
Turn the lights on.
Turn the lights on.
We saw them inside. They got a big bay window.
We would we'd look over at the house or something. Every now and then we'd see the lights on. They'd see us look and they'd shut the lights off and whatever, try to hide or whatever. But we about 20 minutes later, we seen some bright LEDs coming from down the road there, and old Bun knew what that was as soon as he seen it.
It's a 5-0. That's a 5-0 popo.
So we sit here. We moved out of the road, give him some room. He pulled in here, close to this little vacant driveway. He was a cool dude. I can't complain.
Yeah, he was cool, man.
We just told him the situation. We just making some YouTube down here, shooting a bull and checking out the snow, and he understood. I mean, he didn't care. Didn't even ask for IDs or nothing. I mean, he was a cool dude.
Real cool guy, real stand-up guy. Funny thing was, he said, "How old are you boys?" And I said, I had to think for a minute because it caught me off guard. I was like, "I'm 33," and he's like, "33?" And I said, "Yeah." And he said, "Well, you look good for 33." I said, "I appreciate it." And then the old boy here told me he was 19 and he was cool. I told him, I said, "Man, thank you for your service." And he's like, no. I said, "Thank you." And he took off and let us mind our own business. And he was cool, man. That's one thing I want to give a shout out to is all the first responders out there. They're out here trying to keep us safe. So,
yep.
That's cool of them, and I appreciate all of them. So if you're a first responder, hey, we appreciate you and love y'all. Thank you for keeping the world going around. So, well, I'm gonna hop off here. My hands about to freeze off. The temperature is dropping fast. The snow has calmed down a little bit, though. It's not really snowing, so it's slacked off. So I might get some plowing done when I get home, maybe. I don't know. Might just wait till morning. But anyway, well, I'll give y'all an update here in the next hour or so once I head back home. All right, love y'all. All right, what's up, y'all? Odo Outdoors, back with the final video of the snowstorm of 2025, man. Here's the aftermath of everything. crazy. Got some ice on top. That's what the crunch you're hearing. That's all ice right there. But luckily the ice come after we got the snow, so at least the ice ain't on the bottom, so it always works out nice. One more less visual of the running boards. I mean, it's crazy. Driveway. Dad came out here yesterday and plowed it a little bit on his tractor for us. That was pretty cool of him. Appreciate that. We're headed down to JV Outdoors now to do some sleigh riding. I'll do one last road update, and this will be the last video of this one here. Then we're gonna do a review down here at his house today on some fishing lures, get back into my fishing stuff. So, but well, I'll tell you what, as much junk as I talked about on that first night, y'all. Look at these roads. Beautiful, like nothing ever happened. Good deal. This is all the snow that come out of my driveway and off the road right here we pushed up with the tractor yesterday. But well, sorry this video was a little bit all over the place and all that good stuff. It's just a spur of the moment idea, and it's hard to, it's gonna be like a 20-minute video probably, but just bear with it. It gets good. It's got some good and bad in it like everything else. But well, that's gonna wrap it up for the snowstorm of 2025, the first one. I don't know if it'll be a last or not, we'll see. But thank y'all for watching, and I appreciate it, and give a like and subscribe, and love y'all. Later.